today. Out in the middle of nowhere, there are thousands and thousands of gnomes. We're in Ferguson Valley. Let's zoom out here a bit. There you go, you can pause to read that if you want. And these gnomes, it started with just a few. There's nice little gnome walks through here. And some people have gone to quite a lot of trouble. There's one from 2018. That's this year. Oh, there's one in a tree. Thousands and thousands of gnomes. And there's one with a pet worm. Every female gnome needs a pet worm. Oh, but this goes on forever, people. There's some gnomes that have no shame at all. Just no shame. Oh, I think we've got a choir going on over here. You've got to be careful you don't step on them. There's that many of them out here. Happy memories. This is just totally awesome, people. It's one of the beautiful camping spots we've been looking at. And yeah, you do need a vehicle capable of getting in here. That gravel over there is like driving on marbles, I tell you. This is just beautiful. You can get some idea how steep this edge is, but the road's way up the hill up there, the way we came in. We've seen two tiger snakes so far today. Yeah, he was slipping up there a bit. I tell you, that gravel rock is like absolute marbles. And this is where our drinking water comes from as well. You can go swimming in it, you can boat in it. You can do just about anything you want in it, I guess. As they do over, well, way over the other side there where all the little kids go. Goes through the shallow. But it's also warm. Okay, that's shallow water. And certain times of year, you've got to be very careful for amoebic meningitis and all that sort of fun stuff that grows in this water. Yeah. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the Gnomes today. It's a bit windy. I hope we're not picking too much up with the mic. There goes that other car just around that corner. That's where we saw one of the tiger snakes just over there. If you don't know what tiger snakes are, just look them up. They're pretty toxic. Alright, so we did the Gnomes, and we'll put some photos after that. Yeah, I mean, there's some great four-wheel drive tracks in here. I mean, look how steep these, where we've come in, you know. I mean, it's just massive. It's very slippery stuff. We are at the bottom of Wellington Dam. As you can see, it's quite a big dam. It's the weekend, so they're letting water go because all the city people camp down at honeymoon pools and all that down the road there, and they all like to have a bit of running water. We're going to head right up there to the lookout. Right up there and get some good photos for you. Alright, a lot of water coming out of there.